welcome back to Reels by TBL. Today I'm going to tell you a very interesting culture and a beauty rage which is going on these days, which is Korean culture. I'm sure आप सबने सुना है about the glass-like skin, glass-like makeup. This all comes from the Korean skincare and Korean products. And I'm sure आपने सुना है कि कितना ज़्यादा popular, कितना rage है इसके बारे में. और इन जितने भी सब कोरियन प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं उसमें मैंने एक प्रोडक्ट और एक इंग्रेडिएंट बहुत देखा है, विच इज़ जेजू आइलैंड. सीक्रेट्स ऑफ जेजू आइलैंड, जेजू वोल्केनिक स्क्रब. व्हाट इज़ दिस जेजू आइलैंड ऑल अबाउट एंड व्हाट इज़ द प्रोडक्ट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. जस्ट वेट, थोड़ा सा वेट करिए, तब तक सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए मेरे चैनल को. यहाँ पे है सब्सक्राइब बटन. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So before I tell you about the brand I'm going to talk about and introduce you to, I would like to tell you actually about the Jeju Island and what is this whole history about Jeju Island. Jeju Island basically एक छोटा सा volcanic island है साउथ ऑफ कोरिया में, जो बहुत पॉपुलर है अपने फ्लोरा और फौना को लेकर. कहा जाता है कि जो volcanic extracts होते हैं वो commonly यूज़ होते हैं स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स में, बिकॉज वो ऑयल को एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं और मैटिफाइंग इफेक्ट देते हैं. तो आपकी जितनी भी ये मैटिफाइंग क्रीम्स हैं या ये मैटिफाइंग सिरम्स हैं उसमें स्पेशली जो कोरियन प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उसमें जेजू आइलैंड से ही ये लोग इंग्रेडिएंट्स लाते हैं. इवन बोला जाता है कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऐसे मिनरल्स होते हैं जो बहुत अच्छे हों आपके स्किन के लिए. सो आई थिंक ऑल इन ऑल जेजू आइलैंड इज़ वेरी पॉपुलर एंड अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रांड्स यूज इट. आई मीन आई डोंट वांट टू नेम दोज ब्रांड्स बिकॉज दोज आर मेनली Korean brands, but today I am going to introduce you to the Indian brand which uses the extracts and the secrets of Jeju Island, which is the Pilgrim. This is the brand. And आप सच्ची बताइए कि just look at the products. Are you not impressed? Why the quality and the packaging? I was really taken aback that wow, बहुत time तक I didn't even realize that it's a Indian brand, but when I read about them that it's totally an Indian brand, it's paraben free, it's sulfate free, it's totally natural brand, and I am going to review 4 products for them. I will tell you what all will I use. So let's get started. So the first product which I am going to tell you about is the first product which I tried out of the range, because I have actually never tried a body scrub. Yes, that sounds a little weird, but yes, मैं body scrubs use नहीं करती हूँ. I just use any normal body wash, and for a very long time, actually till yesterday, I didn't know that हमें body scrub की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. As our face need exfoliation, same is with our body as well, and we need proper body scrub for exfoliation. This is basically the Pilgrim's Volcanic Ash body scrub with Yugudugu and White Lotus. So if I talk about the ingredients, it has the volcanic lava ash, which is basically acts as a exfoliator. आपकी dead skin को हटाता है ये. अगर मैं Yugudugu की बात करूँ, Yugudugu आपके जितने भी dark spots हैं उस पे work करता है and helps removing that. And White Lotus, as it's it is lotus, it actually gives you back the hydration into your skin. आपकी skin को plumpy बनाता है and helps in the elasticity of your skin. With the age, you tend to get very tight skin or very rough skin. So yes, all in all, I really like the product. It retails at about 660. काफ़ी सारे डिस्काउंट भी चलते रहते हैं. Again, go on their official site. 200 ग्राम का पैक है and it is a very nice, good, sturdy tub it comes with. And I will totally suggest that you can go with this scrub. It smells heavenly, the results are nice, it just leaves your skin very smooth and exfoliated. So I think it is a great product. I think the first product which I chose was great. And now let's move to the second product. So as soon as I used the body scrub and I was out of the shower, I tried the Shea and Cocoa body butter with White Lotus body butter. Honestly, I am not a very big fan of the fragrance of the Shea and Cocoa fragrance, which is a very chocolatey flavor. मुझे पसंद नहीं है, so that's why I was a little skeptical about using this. But if I talk about its ingredients, Shea butter जो है वो basically help करता है with your deep moisturization. Cocoa, it helps you actually in improving your stretch marks, which is just made for me. And if I talk about the White Lotus, I've already told you it actually gives you hydration. It makes your skin very supple. But there's an alert here that honestly I didn't like this body butter. If you can look at this is and if I show you the texture, I mean, look at the texture. It is, I mean, I do understand that body butters are a little thick than a body lotion, but I think this is very thick for me. This is very, very thick for me. I mean, स्पेशली मैंने स्ट्रेच मार्क जो बॉडी बटर्स होते हैं, लोशंस होते हैं, उसमें मैंने इतनी ज़्यादा थिकनेस देखी है. बट दिस इज़ नॉट अ प्रोडक्ट विच मेंशंस दैट दिस इज़ फॉर स्ट्रेच मार्क्स, राइट? आई मीन एनीबडी कैन यूज़ इट, एंड आई थिंक this much of thickness, I don't like it. I mean, I like my body lotions to actually just flow. I mean, I should apply my body lotions or my body butters and it should just get moisturized and absorb into my skin. But when I used this, it actually took me a while to get this absorbed. So and ऐसा भी नहीं था कि मैं लगाने के बाद मेरी स्किन बहुत ही ज़्यादा से सॉफ्ट और I mean बहुत टाइम तक बहुत ही सॉफ्ट सपल रही, ऐसा नहीं था. It actually just जैसे नॉर्मल बॉडी बटर्स रहते हैं वैसे ही है. But I mean, if I talk about the fragrance is very nice, which I was very skeptical about. So if you want to use it for good fragrance and an okayish moisturization, then I think this both combination of the body scrub and body butter will really work for you. But honestly, I am not a very great fan of the texture of this body butter. I couldn't very relate to this product. So but don't I don't want to give a alert here. We have 2 more products to go for review and those are very, very good. So stay tuned. Let me move to the third product. Next comes up another favorite product of mine from this brand, which is the White Lotus Natural Face Mist and Toner with Camellia and Witch Hazel. So basically toner क्या करता है. Toner basically आपके clogged pores और acne में help करता है. जो आपकी skin excess sebum produce करती है उसको protect करता है, right? And why I love this toner, because it is alcohol free. I mean actually bought by the whole concept of an alcohol free toner. I will just say कोई भी pick करो but alcohol free toner use करो. And because it's an alcohol free toner plus it's a mist as well, I really like कि मैं इसको कितने टाइप से यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. मैं इसको अपने एक्चुअली बैग में रखती हूँ. Whenever I feel dehydrated, I just spray it all over my face and it acts as a great mist. And after my cleansing my face, I use this as a toner. So all in all, I mean, I really like this face toner and mist. I think the kind of products and the kind of ingredient it has, it actually makes a very, very great buy. If I talk about the price, it is 300, which I think is a great, in just 300, and इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे discounts भी मिलते हैं on their website. You get such a nice toner and such a nice mist. I think you can definitely try this one along with my last favorite, which is the scrub. And now let's move to the fourth and the last product, which I use in the night as well as sometimes in the day. And let's go. Okay, the last product is this, which is the Vitamin C Night Serum. So before I tell you about the product, firstly I'm going to tell you that I think ये थोड़ा सा misleading है because it says vitamin C. It is not just vitamin C. It has vitamin C, vitamin E. It has hyaluronic acid and it has white lotus, of course, in this. So I think, I mean, by just writing it vitamin C serum, I mean, it's a little misleading, but that doesn't mean कि ये अच्छा नहीं है. ये बहुत ही अच्छा serum है. After a long time, I've used a good serum. And I just told you, like just that I use it in the night as well as in the day because it has vitamin C and vitamin E. Vitamin C is a great antioxidant. It helps you with the glowing skin, and vitamin E actually protects you against sun damage. So when vitamin C and vitamin E mixes, that actually really makes a very great skin product and skin serum for you. That's why मैं इसको दिन में भी use कर लेती हूँ. But when I'm at home, it actually claims that it is very lightweight, it is very effective, and it is non-greasy. It is very lightweight, I do agree, but it is not very non-greasy. ये थोड़ा सा greasy है. I mean, I can just show you as well. थोड़ा सा oily, थोड़ा सा greasy तो है. I really like the packaging because it comes in a dropper, and anything with a dropper is very easy to apply, and I'll just show you. If I just take this, I'll take one more. So this is the, I mean, I'm sure आपको देख के ही पता चल रहा है कि ये थोड़ा सा greasy तो है, but I'm just telling you what all I feel, but this doesn't make it a bad product. I am not saying that it's a bad product. I'm just clarifying you with the things which they claim. आपको इसको use करना पड़ेगा for at least good 2 to 3 weeks to actually show that difference, because it actually contains hyaluronic acid also. And मैं पहले बता चुकी हूँ, hyaluronic acid, it is great for your skin, great. I really like the fragrance also. Generally, मैंने जितने भी serums use करे हैं, जितने भी natural serums होते हैं which use the natural products, it's a very herbal kind of a fragrance. But the whole good thing about this whole Pilgrim range is that it contains white lotus, and it actually has the same fragrance throughout, which is running. And I really love it. I really love it. This white lotus, I mean, थोड़ा जैसे गजरे की फ्रेगनेंस होती है, थोड़ी. If you like it, I really like it. So मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है इसकी फ्रेगनेंस. So yeah, so this is an overall review of these 4 products. I think as a brand, they're doing great because what they're trying to do is जो बाहर के around the world के जो secret ingredients है वो actually India में ला के वो produce कर रहे हैं. So I think Make in India is actually doing great, and we should always promote made in India products, and this is what I'm doing. So this was my review for the Pilgrim brand. The packaging looks great, the price is great, some products are really nice, some products doesn't make to my list, but yes, so this was my review. I hope you guys like it. If you really like it, then do buy these products. If I would recommend 2 products, then I would say the body scrub is great. I mean, everyone should just go and buy this body scrub, and the face toner. These 2 are my favorite from these products. If you have any other product from this brand which you want to tell me, then do tag below. And I hope you guys are watching my video and liking my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.